So we're gonna go ahead and set this up. So the very first thing we should do is our controller. So that's the easiest part about this, because all we have to do is insert this battery. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So on the back, you will notice this. All we have to do is just pressure this to the side, and then we can just take this out like so. So here's the tray, and here's the battery that you guys got within the package. Just see that plus sign up there? Just make sure that goes up this way. So there will be a plus sign up here and a plus sign on your battery itself. Then all we have to do is just slide this in. So we're just gonna go ahead and set up our controller. And there we go. That's what you guys can insert the battery into your controller right here for your fan. The next step is our base. So right here we have our base, and we have this connection here. So we just have to take these guys out. Once we do that, we have these. So these will go right here. They will match up, so you won't notice that. So we have two pieces. These two pieces fit like so. So one's gonna go on top of the other, and they will lock into each other. So you won't notice that. So that means we actually have to put this one in before the other one. So then we can just slide this one up. Once we slide this one, we can place this until we see some type of locking. From there we can go ahead and place these. And it's really about getting the first one in. Once you guys have the first one in, the second and third will go really easy. So again, we're just placing these right here. So once we have these three locked in, we're all done with the setup. So at this point, this is how it looks all assembled. And if we turn it on, we can go ahead and use our remote control in order to turn this on. So go ahead and turn it on. And I can tell you right now, at the mode that it's at, it actually feels good. Feels like a lot of wind, not too noisy. So I'm just gonna be quiet so you guys can hear the noise. That's the noise. I don't think I would be able to sleep with that noise, but it's okay. There are fans way louder than this, so I'm okay with this. I'm just gonna turn it up a little bit. It does feel windy. It's good. It's more than good. I'm gonna turn it up even more. At this point, you guys can start to hear that it's a little noisy. One of the ways that I could show you how much wind is coming from it is by this. So this is filling up with air. And I am a little bit farther away from it. So the fact that this is filling up with air, you guys can kind of get the idea of how much wind is coming out at its max. Now at its lowest, the bag is still getting full with air. Medium, it's a little more, and hard. There we go. The max is really good. I think that's good enough. It's not anything heavy duty. So if you guys need a lot of wind, then this would not be it. But for a home office or for your house, this would be just fine. From what I can see, just from right now. Then in your controller, we also have a timer. So we can do that. And there's other options as well. Let me do this one. So it moves. So right now, what I did was press this button here, and that way it's moving. So it's moving side to side. And that's what I like about this one. I wanted something that moved around. So it's moving from left to right and then back again. In order to stop that, all I do have to press is this, and it's gonna lock in at whichever direction it's at. So I can press that again in order for it to actually look at me and send the air this way. I can stop it right there just by pressing that button again. So again, I'm pressing this button right here in order for it to rotate. I do have to mention that this button right here, it's for your modes. So that's for your modes. And this one right here that I've been pressing the whole time, it's for your speed. So that's most likely what most of you are gonna use the whole time. Other than that, we have our timer, and that would be about it. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.